to what, people? $10 an hour off the books, that's not bad. I can't complain. Because they're not being taxed.
Yeah, not being taxed.
If you work 40 hours a week, that's good money.
Hell yeah.
You might not get that because you're working with the truck driver.
No, nigga, I'm getting no tax. $10 an hour. Every hour, don't matter. As long as I'm moving, I'm getting paid. I don't care, man. Oh shit. Money in my pocket.
You start tomorrow, right?
No, I start Saturday. It's because when I go to school, it's Saturday and Sunday, 5 to 12 every time. But say I don't have school Saturday, obviously, because I don't have school Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 70 a day times 5. I'm saying shit adds up. Thanksgiving, Christmas, all of them be racking over here.
See, if I get that, that'd be good for me too, because I get unemployment. But once I go on the books, bye-bye unemployment.
And it's good too, because you get an extra 100 from your mother every Friday for cleaning the house and shit. So it's like I get the 100 plus the 140, and if I work in more, it's get 140, 0, 8, it's just 280. Great. That's 3.
So most likely Friday I'll get the 65, right? Because you're gonna clean the house to get it?
Yes.
Alright, cool.
I'm only playing, you hear me? Okay.
Just if you want, so I'll make sure it fits and shit.
Yeah, come to my house Saturday.
Wait, what? I gotta go after
My
work.
story, yeah. We'll meet at the Lafayette Park and then we'll walk to my house, because Lafayette to my house is 2 blocks.
Yeah, no, Nicholas right there.
Yeah.
You don't got cigarettes?
I've been bumming cigarettes off Sunday. I wanted to buy a couple from him. He didn't have them when he left. Right, Sunday? I was only $2, $3. You cut me half. You cut me half. Who you cutting? Who you gonna have? You ain't cutting shit half. I gave you half of my last cigarette.
Come on, cut.
He went from your right to your left. He hit his first shot with his right, then he hit with his left.
He has to adjust. He's so used to doing this.
Oh, that's what the...
Behind you. He's the doing something.
Hop, tell him it's out next time.
I saw the hole in the back.
Yeah.